we're gonna go to Letchworth State Park. Okay, well, we finally arrived, so we'll have to see if these views are worth the 2.5-hour drive.
Stay tuned.
So there is a lower falls and an upper falls, and we are descending down 127 stairs that we're eventually going to have to ascend back up. Hopefully the view will be worth it. I'm sure it will be. Wait. Oh, this is handicap accessible. So like Kayla will go the handicap way.
What the? I'm skipping steps.
If you are unfamiliar with Letchworth, it is renowned to be the Grand Canyon of the East. You start here and have to end up way the hell up there. Like halfway. I can see why the people that we passed on the way down were out of breath. Okay. We reached the summit.
That was only 109, so those other steps were included.
Oh, easy view of falls. Okay. So they said this is the easy way. 1,000 feet down the road. Well, tell me something. Why are there more stairs? I wish this thing could like send smell because it smells so good.
Look how pretty this is.
if there's one place that aliens would visit, this would be a good place to do it, right? I'm pretty sure Kayla caught a UFO on her phone. All right, turn around in 3, 2, 1. Wow. Cool transition, huh? All right, so that was our first trip to Letchworth. What'd you think?
Pretty cool. Walking. Be prepared.
Yeah, there's a lot of trails. Obviously, you don't have to walk them, but if you're into that kind of thing, there's lots of them. Bring your doggos.
Oh my God.
Bring your food because that smells so goddamn good. Anyways, thanks for coming with us on our first time through Letchworth. See you in the next one.
Later.
Oh, God.